Cliff Backstroke! Yung reaction niya doon, ha? But you know, it's really that enthusiasm to be able to come in.
Reynel, muntik mahirapan, nahanap si Hodge. Handoff para kay Pinto. 11 left to shoot.
Oh!
Hodge, that's it for the end one.
Ooh!
Sweet pass, good cut by Cliff Hodge.
Nathan, another outside pitch, touch passing by the Bolts. Ganda. Oh, yes, sir.
By Colombia.
Basketball. Very, very nice.
Oh, nice steal there by Chris Newsom. Nice pass.
To Hodge, who lobs it for Gani Lawal, who hindi pinilit na indakdak yun kasi medyo malayo yung pasa. Gently played that ball off the glass.
But it was Chris Newsom who made that interception and actually saved the ball, no, from being recovered.
But JB Mokan had himself a solid Philippine Cup, Doc.
Yeah.
Ranidel.
Talagang maayos sa maglaro. Oh, nice move by Karab.
Oh, in reverse. Consultant Mark Dickel together with Josh Reyes of the TNT Katropa scouting. As Almanzan climbing the ladder for the slam and jammer.
Ganda nilalaro dito ni Raymond Almazan.
Yes.
He already has 12 points in the game. Really asserting his presence inside.
Durham, no. Almazan.
That's the slam that the Bolts have been waiting for since the first tip.
Alan Durham from out of nowhere.
Remember, the past year, he's been suffering from injuries. And, you know, slowed down a little bit with sa kanyang looking to score. And Meralco
He's the one that's setting the screen for Jason.
Oh, libre!
Oh, what a leap! Ito yung ating slam dunk contest pagdating ng mga all-star games natin. It's a good one too. He got a nice vertical leap.
Bringing in the players whom he wants to play, the kind of roles he wants them to play. Look at that pass galing kay Amer.
He was looking for Durham. He had his eye on Durham's run down the middle.
Again, nag-flex ng muscle si Durham pero hindi rin niya hinalikan yung kanyang bicep.
Tama na yun. Isa lang. Okay.
Court para rito sa Meralco Bolts. The lob to Gani! Eye in the sky. Completed.
Hindi ka makaka-high-low kung hindi magaling yung pumapasa sa iyo.
Rebound claimed by Nathan. We're rushing with Newsom. Newsom lobs it to Lawal.
You see the change of pace na nakikita natin dito sa Meralco.
Binilisan
They are now running the floor. Alam nila, hindi nakakababa sa depensa si Stevenson.
Increasing the average age just slightly. And Mike's gonna kill me for that.
Pero well, almost baka, if I'm not mistaken, a decade na yan sa PBA, maybe more.
Oh, great move by Hodge. He eluded the defense of Jose, and that was an excellent pass.
Exactly, yes.
Even the basket. Follow up. Too strong. Back and salute. Here's Newsom. Colombia. Really bad.
Mga hakbang ng Mike Colombia, napakalalaki.
41 rin, nakaagaw ang Meralco. Do some on the right, they go to the left instead. Behind the back, Almazan! Ang ganda ng galaw ng bola. Try to handle the ball.
Almost lost it.
Tama eh. Bigay mo sa guardia, sabihin ng mga coaches. Oh! Yun na yun, naset up ng maayos and he threw it down.
Pero binigay na naman ni Baser yun. He created everything for him.
Cleared the way.
Yeah.
Takes it over. Baser! Ayaw talaga.
Ayaw talaga sa 3.
Oh, look at him! Drop it off to Durham, who gets the basket. Big son of a foul.
And Chris Ross, who was tagged for that foul.
He's got 10 points.
Because he's been busy really with other things, but Meralco takes it away. Here comes a 3-on-1. Malik Singh to Amer. We're tied at 77. This is just our fourth deadlock.
A beautiful drop pass that time. Unselfish play by Meralco. Getting the job done on the finish, but man down for the Bolts.
Once again, Meralco with a chance. Lead pass. Tinatakbo niya. Uy, bagsak si Ugnatan sa labas. Uy, extra pass. Beautiful find. And Amer finding Salva with that gorgeous pass inside.
Wake up to save right here. Somehow we land in the hands of Clifford Hodge. One more extra pass, he said.
Nice finish coming from Nico.